Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Scentsy. Feels light this month. Oh, I forgot. Yes, I did see a couple people's boxes and that we did get a warmer. They did away with the giant piece of paper in here. Cute. Let's take a look. Got a plug-in. These are my favorite ones since they don't take up counter space. And I think everybody got the same one. Oh no, mine's different than the ones I've seen. Completely white, you can see through it. I like the other one better. But it has a very unique top. I haven't seen those before. It's like a glass piece. Huh. Not sure how I feel about that. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment. I guess it's okay. I'm sure it makes lots of cool designs on the wall. So I'll have to figure out where I'm going to put that one. And then we got this, which is... This is supposed to be one of those things that you put in your warmer and it soaks up all the wax. Which I did a hack video probably 11 years ago where that's how I would clean out mine. Sometimes I would, depending on which warmer it was. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then this is a Travel Twist Go-Go Mango. I don't think I've seen this before. So is this just like a twist thing that you can set anywhere in your car or anywhere? That's cute. Ooh, I feel like I can smell it. Oh, okay. It's like a little vent, so you could adjust how open you want it. Smells good. That's cool. May or may not put that in my car. I might use it in one of my smaller rooms downstairs, honestly. I like that though. Then we got 2 bars, Tropical Nectar and Raspberry Hibiscus Tea. I bet both of those smell good. We're going to start with this one first. Ooh, I like that one a lot. Beautiful purple. Those are really good. I like those a lot. Makes me excited for like spring and summer. And then we have a washer whiff sample and the scent Luna. I feel like it's also been a while since we got fun little samples like this. So really cool box this month. Got that, 2 bars, the little to-go thing and the warmer. Awesome. So if you guys want to see what I get next month, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. And if you'd like to sign up for one, I'll put the link below of who I use. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.